we check the machine. Here is the electric box, and here is the compressor filter, and for the pipe and the valve control here. A lot of valve control. You see, a lot of valve. A solid valve. Say 1, 2, 3. Here is about 11. Here's about 11 solid valve control. 好，关上来吧。Here is the electric box control. The American motor. And here inside is here's the American motor and the Windows motor. Open can. 10 device open can. 10 device, 10 pieces, 40 device. And here is the encoder. Here's the encoder, control the machine's location, the angle. The encoder, the machine's location and angle. And there is the oil pump. And here is the shaft. Here is the main turning table. This side the main turning table. And this side is for the feeding system. Feeding system controlled by this shaft. The quality shaft. Here is the quality parts and automatic oil system. Here is encoder.没事，你购买。Here is for the top feeding system. Front part feeding system. Separated. And the quality gear control, and for the automatic oil system, quality gear and quality can control. Here's open can. Here's the bottom system. Here is the pump, oil pump. And here is the motor. Here is the motor control the voltage, forward, learning and forward. First forward and learning. Here is the belt control. Here's the belt. Here's the motor control. And here's the electric box. Comes from here. Here's the bottom part.